Today I will tell you how did I learn English speaking. I will tell you the complete journey. What was the strategy I followed? What was the problems I faced? And what was the solution? The tips that I followed in my life. I will tell you all the things step by step. At the initial time, I even didn't know how to form a sentence. I thought I will learn English now. I just completed my 12th. So at that time, I didn't know even speaking a single sentence. I was not able to speak at that time. So I started learning tenses first. I started learning tenses, present tense, past tense, future tense. I was able to write that tenses Hindi to English, but I was not able to translate after learning the tense. I was not able to speak the sentences. Then I realized that I need to learn modals also if I want to really get all the speaking part. So I learned modals, could, should, would, everything. Even then, I was not able to speak. If it comes to speak a single sentence, I could speak. I create that sentence in my mind or I write that sentence, then I was able to speak. But suddenly I was not able to speak. Then what I did, I started writing all the sentences that is coming in my mind. If I am writing, I'm cooking the food, I'm eating the food, I'm walking on the road. These kind of simple sentences I was writing continuously. I was only writing everything, writing, reading, writing, reading. So because of this, my thinking and forming sentence part improved a lot. I improved my forming sentences part. Then I thought that now I can write, but I cannot speak. So what I did, I tried to speak simple sentences that I was writing. I tried to speak that. Whenever I walk, I just say, I am walking. Someone is coming in front of me. My mother is cooking the food. My father is not at my home. My brother is in school right now. So these kind of simple sentences I used to speak every day. I did the same thing for 15 days, you will not believe me. But I did not leave. Mostly people think me that he is speaking by himself. Like I was not able to speak in front of other. So whenever I get time, I used to speak. I did not keep myself silent. If I kept, if I would have keep myself silence, na, I could not speak in front of you. So now I'm speaking in front of you because I was very dedicated. I was willing to learn English speaking. You will not believe me, for 3 months. I did not leave a single day in which I did not work hard for my improving English speaking. I worked hard every day. So I was writing first. I trained my mind to form a sentence. Then I started speaking simple sentences. Then I realized I can speak simple sentences, but I cannot get if someone is speaking. So I worked on my listening part also. I started watch videos with subtitles. So at the initial time, I was watching the video with subtitles. I learned a lot of things from that subtitles also. I learned how to form a sentence, what is the structure of the sentence. There were many structures in which we can create sentences.